The installation of a double pole breaker for a SPA on the bottom part of a split bus panel is generally acceptable, but it depends on the specific panel and its configuration. Here are some factors to consider. Firstly, panel capacity. Ensure that the main breaker amperage of the bottom bus is sufficient to accommodate the SPA's load. The SPA's load should be calculated based on its size, usage, and the type of equipment it uses. Secondly, circuit breakers. The double pole breaker for the SPA should be rated for the SPA's load and must be appropriate for the type of electrical wiring used. Consult the SPA manufacturer specifications for proper breaker sizing. Thirdly, bus and neutral bar. Confirm that the bus and neutral bar in the bottom bus have enough capacity to handle the additional load of the SPA. The neutral bar must be sized to accommodate all neutral currents from the circuits connected to the bottom bus, including the SPA. Fourthly, load imbalance. Split bus panels can sometimes experience load imbalance if the load is not evenly distributed between the two buses. Placing the SPA on the bottom bus may further contribute to this imbalance. Consider the overall load distribution and whether the addition of the SPA will result in excessive load on the bottom bus. Fifthly, local code requirement. Check with your local building code authorities to ensure that this type of installation meets their requirements. Some jurisdictions may have specific regulations for SPA installations and panel configurations. Recommendations: if possible, it is preferable to install a dedicated sub-pole for the SPA to avoid loading it on the same bus as other branch circuits. If you must install the double pole breaker on the bottom bus, carefully calculate the load and ensure that the panel and its components are adequately rated and sized. Consult with a qualified electrician for a thorough inspection and assessment of the panel and its suitability for this installation. They can provide professional advice and ensure that all safety and code requirements are met.